Alright, so we are off from work and we are starting to work on the homestead. Gonna go let the chickens out, get them some fresh grass before it comes nightfall, and still got work in the attic. Last few videos have just been about the attic, and you know that's what we're gonna be doing. So gonna be doing that until it's done. Get these boys in their room. You excited? Yeah. Alright, well, let's get our chores done so we can get to work on it. Alright, look at the size difference between Freedom Ranger meat bird and a Novagen egg layer. Born the same day. These guys are bred to get full grown within 9.5 weeks to 11 weeks.
Don't think that way!
Look at his feet. We butcher at 9.5, and these are egg layers. They should be laying eggs within 3 to 4 months. From birth, so this is week 7. So, but look at the size difference.
That guy's mommy and that guy's baby.
Yeah, look small, huh?
And big. Those look like the different.
Yeah, this is a rooster. This is a hen.
Yeah. Okay, can I hold? I want to hold this one. This one's soft. Yeah, that one is soft. What? That one is soft. You like it? You want to pet it? You want to pet his head? What? Why you feel it? You know how you want. He won't pay you in. When are you going to catch the big chickens? You wake your ass thinking one.
Hey,
What?
what are you doing? You filling up the feed?
Yeah. Yeah. With the bucket.
With a bucket?
Yeah. We want a bucket and we're dumping it in. Yeah,
Okay.
we're dumping it in. Yeah. Dumping it in. Like that. Whoa.
Cool.
Okay, yeah, we're getting now.
Good job, guys.
Is it your turn? It's
All right, second day in a row. Didn't do much in the attic. Um, Patriots game came on, got sucked into that. But we're planning on going to the beach this weekend. Take a little break, relax. But a lot of things are going to be coming up. We got to work on our chicken plucker, getting ready for butchering. You can see it in the back. We got to change out the motor. Right now I got a 3rd horsepower. We're going to put a 1 horsepower motor in, so that way we got some good spin and we have no issues. Last year we had a couple issues with chickens getting jammed up and stopping the plucker, so we're going to change that, fix that. We also got to make a butchering table. We got rid of our old one. We got to make a new one. And got to work on the chick shaw for the egg layers. So when the meat birds are out, egg layers will have a place to go. And we got to build a turkey tractor. So a lot of things going on. Still going to be working on the house. So other than that, going to be putting the chickens away and going to call for a night. Thank you very much for watching.